Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys Heavy Fulfiller Weighted Butt Plug. So let's get started. So this is the Heavy Fulfiller Butt Plug itself. Now, the total length of this butt plug is 11.4 centimeters and the insertable length is 10.4 centimeters. It's made of a body-safe silicone, so it feels very soft and smooth on the skin and comfortable during use. It's very comfortable to wear and easy to remove the plug as well. The added weight provides extra sensation with every move. Now this is shown here in the size medium, but it's also available in the size small as well. The plug's oval shape makes it easy to insert. It also has a wide base just here, which is also flexible, so insertion and removal, and it stays in safely as well. Now, when using this butt plug, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the plug after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the EasyToys Heavy Fulfiller Weighted Butt Plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.